Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an amazing deal for you that you absolutely cannot miss. If you've been thinking about trying out EverBee, now is the perfect time because I've got a 60% discount for you on their yearly plan. Yes, you heard that right, 60% off. Let me show you how to grab this deal before it's gone. First things first, make sure you're creating a brand new account to get this discount. If you're already an EverBee user, this offer won't work for you, so you'll need to sign up with a new email. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just click the link I've left in the description below. It'll take you straight to EverBee's website. Once you're on the site, head over to the pricing section. Here, you'll see two options, a monthly plan and a yearly plan. Now, here's the best part, if you choose the yearly plan, you'll not only save 60% with my exclusive coupon code, but you'll also get an additional 30% off. That's a huge saving for an entire year of EverBee's amazing features. Just to recap, click the link in the description. Create a new account. Go to the pricing section. Select the yearly plan. Apply the coupon code at checkout and boom, you've just saved 60% plus an extra 30%. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait too long. The link and coupon code are waiting for you in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and deals like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.